So are some Excel links getting the axe? And the answer is yes, and honestly, it's about time. So, okay, all you spreadsheet freaks, and I mean that in the kindest way possible. Now, do you have a habit of linking your Excel files to random stuff across the internet? Well, Microsoft is about to say, nope, not anymore. Now, starting in October of this year, 2025, Excel will start blocking links to sketchy file types. Why? Because security. I mean, cybercriminals love to turn innocent-looking spreadsheets and links into malware delivery trucks. You click a link, boom! Your system now is a hacker's playground. And not the good fun kind, the bad hacker's playground. So if your workbook links to anything shady, except a big fat blocked error, go ahead and refresh the data or create new links. Forget it. Excel's locking the door. If your business relies on these links, well, it's time to clean house, audit the spreadsheet, replace risky links, and maybe, just maybe, stop opening random Excel files from strangers. Microsoft's not trying to ruin your day on this one. They're just tired of Excel being a malware MVP. Remember macros? Yeah. Update your system, train your team, and let Simplex-IT help you stay safe. Unless you like a hacker's playground. Some people do. Not judging. Yes, I am. Now, Excel's growing up, and it's time for your security habits to do the same. So, you want to learn more about the IT services for your business, including these kind of links and why you shouldn't be doing them? Contact us today. We'll even give you a free IT assessment. Now, if you have questions, who doesn't? See, that's a question. But make sure you leave them in the comments below, or if you have other ideas for videos. But check out our other videos, which answer commonly asked questions. And I'm going to talk to you about subscribing again, and bells, and checkbox, and all sorts of other life decisions that a lot of you haven't made yet. And maybe it's time.